Naalala mo pa ba yung mga sinabi mo sa akin? Isipin mo yung mga taong gusto mong balikan. Aya, please. Aya, huwag kang bibitaw. Aya, lagi kitang dadalawin. Hanggat sa gumising ka. Maghihintay ako, Aya. At paggising mo, gagawin natin lahat ng ginawa natin sa panaginip natin. Napapanaginipan mo rin kaya ako?
Dito mo siya din na sa panaginip mo, kuya? Ibig sabihin, totoong part ito. Ibig sabihin, in love ka sa kanya. Uy, si kuya, nahanap na ang dream girl niya. Kaya lang, hindi pa rin siya nagigising eh.
Ishi, rides muna tayo?
Sige po.
Oh, birthday ng kapatid mo. Sana nandito rin ang isip mo.
Sorry po, Nay.
Ishi, gusto mo sumakay tayo doon?
Ayoko po dyan, Kuya Ostek. Nakakatakot po dyan eh. Kuya, sama
Susunod
ka
na ako,
nga.
Ishi.
Tabi tayo?
Mapit ka mabuti.
Akit tayo? Taas na mataas.
Oh, sabi mo gumising ako. Ngayon naman nagising ako, tititigan mo lang ako.
Ikaw na ba yan? Totoo na ba to?
Suddenly
kwento.
Pipingin!
Kulit mo. Aray. Valentine's Day na naman. Lahat ng in love at feeling in love, excited sa romantic promise ng araw na ito. Lahat naghahanda para sa kanilang special date. Kailangan nakaporma, kailangan mabango. Siyempre, hindi pwedeng walang dalang romantic props. Marami ang masaya at high na high. Pero ang nakakalimutan natin, marami rin ang broken-hearted pag Valentine's Day.
You don't have to. I'm sorry.
Ang ganda-ganda naman ito, Han. Sinurprise mo naman ako.
Happy Valentine's, Han.
Thank you, ah. Grabe, ang ganda talaga.
Congratulations.
Miss, magkano to?
300, sir.
Sige, kunin ko na.
Ito po, oh. Sukli niyo po.
Salamat.
Wow! Wow!
Yeah, good job, guys.
Wow!
Hey!
Hey, BBF. What's up? Thank you.
So how are your dolphins?
They're good. We're just teaching them new tricks right now.
I thought you were gonna release them into the wild. You know about dolphin captivity, right?
Well, it's the last stage of the rehabilitation program to release them into the sea.
By teaching them new tricks?
Yeah, it's part of the behavioral study that we're giving them. Are you fighting me right now, seriously?
Of course not. Happy Valentine's.
Thank you. There's something different about you tonight.
Well, gusto ko lang maiba yung ritual natin eh. You know we've been doing this for the past 3 years.
And it's a problem because
Naisip ko lang kung paano kung next year may ibang boyfriend ka na? Paano na ako?
parang kung ikaw may bagong girlfriend tapos ako wala.
Of course, uunahin kita. You're my number one. You know that, right?
You're crazy.
Hindi, nasanay na kasi ako na tayo lagi magkasama pag Valentine's Day. Dami na nga nagduda sa atin eh. Si Lolo, mga office mates ko. They're always asking, bakit ikaw lagi ka-date ko pag Valentine's Day?
Is it wrong to date your best friend on Valentine's Day?
No, but what if? Totohanin na natin to. Paano kung maging tayo? I mean, what if we become together? Don't you think that would be ideal?
Zach, stop it seriously. Hindi ko inisip yan. I mean, it's really hard to find a guy best friend. And you're my boy best friend forever. So please, let's never think about getting into a relationship, okay? Promise me, Zach.
Yeah. I promise.
More na tayo? Oh, wait, by the way, let's go to the bar later. I have to introduce you to someone.
Sino?
You'll see.
Ellie! Hey!
Hey! Let's go?
I'll just get a drink by the bar.
Okay. Hey, Tommy.
Hey, kumusta?
Yeah!
Isang scotch.
Oh my god, that was so much fun. Can I have one martini, please?
Right away, man. Here's your order, man.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine's.
Babati ka na rin lang. Sana yung masaya naman.
Sorry.
Broken-hearted?
I guess you can say that.
Well, happy naman ako. At least alam ko di ako nag-iisa.
Ikaw din?
Yep. Big time. So, nandito ka para maglasing.
Worse. I think na-set up ako for a blind date.
Talaga?
Mm-hmm. Don't you hate blind dates?
I guess, pero you'll never know naman, di ba?
Exactly. You'll never know kung anong klaseng disaster ang naghihintay sa'yo, di ba? Lalo na kung di mo man lang nakita yung tao. Not even a photo. Kung ano-ano na-imagine mo, kung ano-ano pumapasok sa isip mo.
Eh, ano naman ang nai-imagine mo sa babaeng to?